have to be really quiet because they're filming behind me. I can't tell you exactly what they're doing just yet, but it's going to be cool. I'll show you some other stuff that's going on in the workshop. We got our Kombi back that we converted a little while ago and has been out for paintwork and interior trim. It's pretty lovely in there. There's a lot more about this to come, including how we've done the whole drive line. That's going to be awesome. Australia's Best Defender is up on stands at the moment because the 12-volt loom under the car is being done. There's a lot to do with the stereo and all the niceties inside, the extras that we don't usually get to add when we build a series Land Rover that's super basic from a features and options point of view. This has a lot of wonderful features and options. The wiring diagram you can see here is for the car that you see here. So this is one of our series Land Rover builds and is actually the last of our, I guess, original generation systems. So that's with the Hyper9 motor connected to the original transmission. This car has some really special features that will become apparent soon as to why there's a little cutout there and a few other things. That's in contrast to our next gen platform. So this is using our universal battery box, still with its little magnetic show sticker on. So that's 55 kilowatt hours of energy, 400 volts in that pack, designed to fit into a series Land Rover chassis. That includes having a 3-point mounting system that you can see under here, which means that it isolates this battery system from any chassis twist and flex, and that is into a Tesla Model 3 motor here, centrally mounted. Lots more on this to come as well. Finally, some floor space to bring Juniper back. If you've been following us for a while, you know who beautiful Juniper is. Looking a little worse for wear, but is in the process of now being rebuilt as a demonstrator. Here in the electrical room, these are the final battery boxes that we're building with Tesla modules. So these are for the Range Rover Classic that we're building for the tech school. So they've just been under pressure test for the coolant lines. And the last piece of the puzzle is to finish off the wiring loom for the battery management system. So you could probably guess that the film shoot was for the Mini. It's on charge in the background of the shot. I can tell you more about that when I'm allowed to, and a little more is made public.